In the era of coding, how to start coding is the biggest question. Many will suggest you to start coding via Notepad, which may be a good idea but not the best because Notepad is capable enough to create a source file, but you will have to write everything manually, which can slower our process of development, and that is not an ideal way to write code. I talked about a source file, and let's talk about what is a source file and how it is different from a normal text file. A source file comes with their own extension type, for example .js, .java or .cpp. But a normal text file comes with .txt extension type. When we write some words in a source file, for example, uh, I have an .js file and I am writing inside the file console.log hello world, we will get some output. But the same text, if I write inside a normal text file, it will not produce any kind of output because it's a normal text file. But when we put any extension after the any file, it will act like a source file, and if we put that source file inside any compiler, that will produce some kind of results. Inside any source file, each and single word has their own meaning. I, there are set of keywords and identifiers already pre-built for that programming language. Now let's talk about how to write these source files. If you are targeting to write code in a long run, I will suggest you to choose any IDE. What is an IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which provides us multiple facilities like syntax highlighting for any specific programming language, auto indentation so that our code look beautiful, and integrated terminal where we can run or execute command lines, version controlling system so that we can track our code when and how we write making changes in the code. And there are so many IDEs which has extension support which will help us to boost the productivity via those extension. And the best feature is of any IDE is language support. An IDE offers us to write multiple languages in the same interface, I mean uniform interface, so that we can't switch IDEs to write multiple languages no matter what kind of language we are using. If we have JavaScript, we can use the same IDE. If we are writing Java, or otherwise we can use Python in the same IDE. That is for today. We will discuss more interesting things in the upcoming videos. Thank you.